myself stuck in the middle of the sea. I sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. We find out what we're meant on when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, I'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. You do 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 do, you do 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 do, oh yeah, yeah. So, we are in the key of C. It's a female key. I don't know if it's the original, I don't think so. Let's play it in the key of C, okay? So we're gonna have the C major, E minor, A minor, G, F. Okay, this is basically the chords that you need. Okay, so C, E minor, A minor, G, F. If you ever find yourself lost in the if you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I say I'll be the light to guide you. Okay, so it's important when you're learning a song that you understand where are the chords on which words, basically. This is super important because it gives you really the, you know. So first mark, print your lyrics or write on a pad, but like signal the accents. So C you stay. 2 bars of C, 2 bars of E minor, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 bar of A minor, 1 bar of G, and 2 of F. Okay, an idea that you can do is when you sing, you quiet a little bit the guitar and then you go a little bit stronger, like this, like, if you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I sail the world to find you. See what I mean? So it gives you a little bit of dynamics. Then we have, so the second verse, if you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. D minor, we'll find out what we're made of. E minor, when we are called to help our friends in need. Okay, so this is the pre-chorus. D minor, E minor, F, G. Okay. We'll find out what we're made of. So here we start after the chord. Okay. We'll find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. Okay. Pre-chorus done, and then we have the chorus. You can count, same chords here. You can count C major on me like 1, E minor, 2, 3, B, A minor, there. And I know when I need it, I can count. Okay, so the chorus, it goes, you can count. So here we start on the count, okay? You can count. The guitar we start on the C on the count. you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count. So now second time, count on you like 4, 3, 2, I'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Okay, so we have twice the same thing, and then we have the oohs. So then we have E minor. So now this is what you need to understand. You start the ooh before the E minor. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. And then we start the third verse. 4th verse the same, then it's exactly the same. Then there is a bridge. Do, 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 do. So here we're gonna have exactly the same chords. D minor. You always have my shoulder when you cry. So D minor. Da, dee, 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 shoulder, E minor. When you cry. So now you're gonna have to hold the note and change chords, which we like a lot to do this. So when you cry, here it's not too bad, it's just A minor, cry. And then again, I never let go, never say goodbye. Here I do a breakdown, but then I do, you can count, you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you, etc., etc. Sorry, I missed the lyrics. And I know, 'cause that's what friends are supposed to, you can count. So then if you want to do, as I do, twice, I like when it sounds good, I like to repeat, okay? So I do, 'cause that's what friends are supposed to, you can count. Because remember that you need to arrive on the C and say count, okay? So this, you have no choice. Whatever you do before, it's whatever you do, but you need to arrive on the C, you can count, okay? So that's about it, guys. Now you know how to play Count on Me in C Major by Bruno Mars on acoustic guitar. Maybe one day I will show you on the piano, who knows? You can subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Leave your comments, as always. It's always very entertaining. I see you very soon for a new tip that will change your life again.